Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. LaserJet Pro M501, and you can see the message over here, tray 2 A4, press OK, and it's showing that paper path jam open door. Paper path jam open door error. If you will find, you have to open, and there is no paper over here. If you ever find this message, paper path jam open door, you have to remove the tray outside. Then you have to lift your printer up and you will find paper is jammed in the tray 1. They try to feed the paper from tray 1 and paper got stuck over here. Okay, that's why printer is showing jam in paper path. Now we will insert the paper tray and we'll check. Insert the tuner. Yes, okay. It's printing the paper now. There is no more paper jam error. Paper jam in paper path. Jam in paper path. If you ever found this message jam in paper path, you have to find in tray 1. They try to feed from here, the paper got stuck inside, and you have to remove the tray 2 and pull down the cover for tray 1, and you will find some paper over there. Hope you understand it. If you have any other question regarding LaserJet Pro M501, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching. All the best.